How to email a scanned document as a PDF. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can email a scanned document as a PDF. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First step is to scan your document. If you're using Android device, you can use Google Drive application to scan your document. So open up Google Drive in your device. Then navigate to the plus button at the bottom right corner and here tap or select scan. Now you have to scan your document using the camera, or if you already have a document on your gallery, tap on the gallery or the image icon, and from your device you can select your document that you want to scan. You can crop and zoom in your document. Once you're done, tap on done at the top right corner. Now once you have scanned your document, here tap on the PDF format right here or select the PDF format. After that, you have to select your location. So under this or under your drive, you can create a folder and simply save your document here. So once you're done, tap on save from the top right corner. Now scroll your drive a little bit, navigate to your home. And here is your scanned document. Now you can download this PDF in your device. So tap on download. Now once the download is complete, you can open up Gmail in your device in order to compose the email. Tap on the compose button at the bottom right corner, and on this to section, type in the recipient name. And here tap on the paperclip icon at the top right corner, and here tap on files. Here is your scanned document as a PDF. So once the upload is complete, now you can tap on the send icon at the top right corner. And that's how you can email a scanned document as a PDF. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.